Willis Johnson founded Copart in 1982 with a single salvage yard in California, and by 1994, the company went public on the New York Stock Exchange. Innovation has been part of our story from the start. We were the first auction company to take auctions online in 1998. In 2013, we launched our virtual bidding technology, VB3, which continues to help buyers bid on and win millions of vehicles every year. Global growth accelerated in 2003 with our first location in Canada, followed by rapid expansion across Europe, the Middle East, and Brazil. We've grown side by side with insurers, banks, and rental companies, helping turn vehicles that once looked like losses into real liquidity, where the circular economy meets corporate social responsibility. Today, we operate more than 220 locations, own over 21,000 acres, and serve more than 1 million members in 180 countries. Recognized by Deloitte and trusted among the Fortune 500 and S&P 500, Copart is the source to buy and sell vehicles worldwide.